So excited!
Yeah, that's fine. Just unpeel the plastic there. So, got 16-day white black version. Yeah. Obviously, the first thing you do is take it out. See what else is in the box first. And put it on first. It's actually really thin. It's actually really cool. Okay, so what's this? So that's power. Oh, it has new headphones now as well. Charging cable. And
Where's the SIM card then? Would the SIM card be in the phone?
yeah, I don't know about that. See what's inside there? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That gives some information. Your thing on the floor. Don't need that. And you got stickers there. Okay. So, do you want to just unpeel this part now? So you just unpeel this little tab there. Very nice. Just have a tour around the phone. So, have your camera here. Power button there. And just push the power button on here. Just push this part on. There you go. So, this is it. Turning on. See how awesome this is. Do you like it?
Very nice.
Very good. Very, very
good, darling. Oh, darling. Oh.
Very good. Not very cheap. Okay, so slide to setup. You go choose English and then hit the. Oh, you can do that later. You need to choose UK. Country. It should be at the bottom. All the way to the bottom.
Choose a network. What's that?
London family. Okay, so now just enable this and to next. You want to set up as new phone. Next and first and last name. Rosalind. Shouldn't know how to spell your name, man. You know. Should have this experience after.
You're only allowed
50 years.
positions, only 8 characters. You're not allowed 10.
Stamming a damn child. And then hit next. Up there.
Woodford beer. Lunchtime.
Do you want to use your current
Yeah,
email
yeah.
address?
Norfolk
Next.
Walker. You wouldn't have heard of it.
And then type in your email address.
Brewed especially for the beer festival.
Normally it's easier if you do it with one hand. So let's look what else comes in the box. You get your power sync, some USB to power to plug it in, which is a lot smaller than the iPad version. I don't know why, but like it's literally this part. Yeah, it's the same thing, isn't it? So I don't see the point in this part. I guess if you wanted to change it, but it's kind of pointless. So next we have the lightning cable. So it obviously uses USB as I showed. This on left, let's just get it close. And this is reversible, so I can put it this way and this way. Unlike the old version. And here we have new headphones, which let's get just the old ones, the old ugly ones, compare them side by side.
How does it
Which ones look I mean, the new ones look a bit silly, but they're meant to be more comfortable. Anyway, thank you for watching our joint unboxing of the new iPhone 5. Be sure to stay tuned for more great videos like this. We'll definitely be doing a camera test as well of the iPhone 5. This was actually recorded with iPad, so it's not very good, and I apologize for my terrible Russian accent. So, I mean, that's what you get in the box. You get the cables, this, and I mean, not that you don't get that rubbish, you get this amazing phone as well, which I must admit is pretty amazing phone.